Here's the product review, the poll which was done on Insta. Please keep on watching.
Hello everybody, I'm Sonali here. My channel's name is Beauty by Sonali. I had done a product review poll on Instagram and on Facebook. So I had got a 90% yes. So here it is. The product review which I'm going to do today is about a facial it's not a mask, but yes, it is a facial clay mask form where it can actually it's very good for you during summers. Why? Because people with oily skin, yes, it's an excellent product which I'm going to talk about today. Is none other than Pond's. One is Pure White and one is White Beauty. One is about mineral clay mask. It's a charcoal based clay mask, and another one is brightened vitamin B3 plus face mask. This face mask, why it is good during summers? Because during summers you tend to leave out excess oil, impurities, dirt, and that seems to clog your pores and create small acne and blackheads, whiteheads. To clear all those things, these kind of face clay mask is excellent. It actually absorbs your oil very easily. It makes your skin oil free. But this product, one caution where you have to take care is people with dry skin, you can't use this product. If you're using this product, you need to load yourself with lots of moisturizer or hydrate yourself with serum, and then you're good to go. Otherwise you will face itchiness and that your skin will become too tight and dry. These kind of mask is good for oily skin and combination skin. It's excellent product. Where I'm an oily skin, where I'm actually using since a month, and I'm finding a huge difference whenever I'm doing this in my night care, where I use this mask and wash my face, and after that I do my night skin care. It is actually excellent product. So we'll talk less and let's continue with the product details. One is a detox activated charcoal mask. One side I'll apply this and one side I'll apply this. It's like how to use it is apply the clay mask directly on the dry skin, not on wet skin, because it's a mask. You need to leave it for 10 minutes to dry, and then you can massage it in circular motion and then wash your face. And at the same time, massage in circular motion and damp your face with water and massage to create a creamy lather, and then rinse off. The same way with this mask also. So let's start applying. One side I'm going to apply a white clay mask. It's very creamy as mentioned on the package. With one swipe you can actually apply half of your face. It's very nice. The skin, the smell also is not that prominent that you'll not like it. It has small granules in it, so it'll help in unclogging your pores, taking out your blackheads, whiteheads. Yes, it'll take care of all that. So apply evenly. You can see just one pump and I have applied half of my face. And on the other side, if you want, you can apply it on your neck also. At the other side, we are going to apply our deep clean detox with activated charcoal. Same thing, I'm going to take this much again and start applying it on my other side. It's very creamy. The smell is not that strong that you will not like it. During summer you need to change your skincare. Why? Because you tend to get more oily due to sweat, and if you're on oily skin, you need to see that you need to take care of your skin, otherwise you will have severe breakouts and you need to again take care of those pimples and all that. So it's better you try something which is like this. It's a clay form, because clay is where it absorbs oil very easily, and it has a tendency to absorb more oil. So your skin will love this, because after washing it you will see the difference, that your skin will become completely oil free. So why to waste the product? The rest of the product we can apply it on the neck and leave it for 10 minutes as mentioned on the product. So we leave it for 10 minutes and then we'll get back again. I have just washed my face. You can see actually it takes out all the extra oil on your face, and I have not put any filters right now. So this product is very good for oily skin and combination skin. Please do try and let me know how was it in the comments below. And if you have liked it, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. And after this step, whenever it's in the night time when I do this step, never forget, it's like a CTM, same way. It's like cleansing. It takes out all the excess oil on your face, and oily skin people will love this. And after that, the second step is always use your toner. Never forget this step, because it's very important. Once your pores are open, see that you use a toner and just let it dry for at least few seconds. And after that, the last step is always use a moisturizer. I'm using here Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer, because I have an oily skin. When I get up in the morning, I become like a shiny ball. So it's better use something according to your skin type. So this is very good. I really love this moisturizer, because it's not because it's Pond's or something, but yes, it works. What it's been told, it works for that. It's good. It doesn't leave out too much of oil. It's gel based. And please do give a try and apply it little bit on your damp skin, so that it absorbs more evenly on your skin. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. Take care. Give a thumbs up. Bye.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel.